Assalamualaikum. Good morning, respected teacher and judges, my dear friends. Today I am Snigdha, class 3, rule 2. My school name is Oxford International English Medium School and College. I am so very excited to tell my favorite city, Kumilla. Kumilla is one of the oldest city in Bangladesh and was the capital of the Tripura Kingdom. Kumilla is located in southeastern of the Kumilla stand on the bank of the Gomti River. Kumilla is an city near the India border. Kumilla one of the most ancient city, which for its natural beauty, it called the town of bank and tank and has so many large sizes available here. Kumilla has many historic seats, including Shalvan Bihar, an archaeological site with ruins of an ancient Buddhist Bihar. It is also famous for something Dharmasagar, Amir Digi, Ranir Digi, Nanor Digi, Ujir Digi. It is a Rashmalai of Kumilla. It's sweet meat. Matri Bandar is a Bangladeshi traditional confectionery. I live in Kumilla. My favorite city is Kumilla. I love Kumilla. Thank you for listening and goodbye.